Your Excellency Prime Minister Oyunuddin, Your Excellency Minister for Health Eng Bold, Your Excellency Ambassador of India MP Singh, my dear UN colleagues, Dr. Sergei Dyaritsa, the WHO representative, and Mr. Alex Hykins, the UNICEF representative, and our heroes, the health workers who have fought hard to protect the health of people of Mongolia, Mr. Engbold, the State Secretary of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, State Secretary of Health, Mr. Erdem. I'd like to congratulate today the people of Mongolia for successfully rolling out the first COVID-19 vaccines, which is one of the first ones in the whole region. Today is a historic milestone for Mongolia to roll out its first batch of COVID-19 vaccine administration in its response to the pandemic, prioritizing health workers and high-risk groups. The UN in Mongolia must compliment people of Mongolia for their strong solidarity and cooperation with the authorities in the implementation of the restriction measures. We congratulate the government of Mongolia for securing necessary vaccines for its people. We must also acknowledge the tireless efforts of all parties, including the ministers, including the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which has played a great role in initiating the access to the COVID-19 vaccines. We have experienced the devastating impacts of COVID-19 that has disrupted Mongolia's health and socio-economic sectors. The rollout of these life-saving vaccines is generating hope. This is the start of a journey to recover and the way forward for a brighter future for Mongolia. The global effort to develop and deploy safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines is truly unprecedented. The UN in Mongolia is pleased to partner with the government of Mongolia on the COVID-19 vaccination program under the leadership of WHO and UNICEF. Now ahead of us is a great challenge to make vaccines for all a reality in Mongolia. It is UN's conviction that fair and equitable access to vaccines backed by well-planned and resource supply chains and distribution support is not only the right thing to do, but also the smart thing to do. Our colleagues from the World Health Organization and UNICEF have been and will continue to provide technical assistance to the government of Mongolia to prepare, roll out and scale up the COVID-19 vaccination, benefiting from a rapid and equitable access to the COVID-19 vaccines through the COVAX facility. In addition, we are glad that Mongolia is engaging with its bilateral and other partners to access other COVID-19 vaccines. It is my sincere hope that all Mongolians who wish to be vaccinated against COVID-19 will receive a vaccine this year. Though vaccines alone won't end the pandemic, there will be an extremely important additional tool in strengthening our response to COVID-19 when used in combination with other measures we know work. I would urge all Mongolians to continue cooperating with the authorities, following the public health safety measures of social distancing, hand hygiene, and using masks until we end this war, as was appealed by the Prime Minister himself. And indeed, together, we will beat this pandemic. I'd like to assure His Excellency Prime Minister that building on our excellent partnership, we look forward to future cooperation in building back better for a more inclusive recovery in the socio-economic sector. In our efforts to revive the struggling economy, let us not forget the most vulnerable groups, making sure that no one is left behind. We know that no one is safe until everyone is safe. We must strengthen our response and recovery measures to ensure access to social protection and basic services. For this, we shall endeavor to work together with the leadership of the Prime Minister and the government of Mongolia to create and protect jobs, especially for youth and women. Finally, I call upon everyone, including civil society, the private sector, and all Mongolians to stand together in solidarity and seek solutions to overcome today's crisis and build a better tomorrow for everyone in Mongolia towards achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Baitla, thank you. San Sakni Husi, Udrik Sakunungulare.